What's up everyone? A quick unboxing video here to share with all of you. I ordered a case from Spigen for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is Mag Armor and it is compatible with MagSafe, and I already removed it from the packaging. I think you can get it for like 20 to 30 bucks or something like that. I forget exactly what it was. I ordered a bunch of stuff all at once and I kind of forget exactly what that was. But this is a magnetic case for the iPhone. And they're really good slim cases. I also already put a screen protector on this one, so it has tempered glass on it. I'll show you guys how it kind of fits on the phone real quick. So it snaps right in there. They're really nice, smooth cases that they sell. They have some different versions, but you can see it has raised buttons and they're like rubber. You have access to the switch right there, access down here at the bottom to your ports, so they are all open, and it fits perfect around the phone. There's no issues as far as like having a screen protector on there. Another raised button on this side, and on the back as far as the camera, it has a nice little bump that goes around it to protect your camera lenses there. If you look at it like that, you can see that, yeah, if you do set it down, it does have a bit of protection. So it's just a nice slim case for the iPhone 14. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.